Today is Thursday, and I'm in the kitchen getting ready to make avocado toast. This is like a continuation of my breakfast. I had a smoothie, and I wanted to make avocado toast, but I got busy, so I didn't get to do it. So I really don't have a good morning routine, and I need one. So I'm gonna hunt for a realistic morning routine for me, because working from home, when you know you really don't have to like rush to go, get to the computer, and you can do some of your morning stuff before you sit down or after you sit down, it's bad for me. So I need to get on that. I had one before, but I guess I got so comfortable. So now I'm like, oh, I'll do this thing or I'll do that. So I'm challenging myself to get a routine. So just like everybody else, January was my practice month. February starts the new year for me. And it is Sex and the City night. It is the finale. Honestly, the season was not as good as I thought it was going to be, but I still enjoyed it because I like Sex and the City. So I'm just happy that they're back on the screen. It is a little much with the acting and the characters, and I would have loved to see them go in different directions with the characters, but I'm not a writer, so it is what it is. I just enjoyed seeing them on TV, so, and I hope they come back with a season 2, but they got so many bad reviews, they're probably not going to have a season 2, so we'll see. Oh, I didn't tell y'all, I have a different role at work now, so I have a little bit more flexibility. Crushed red peppers. It's actually not as hot as you think it would do. And this is the trick, olive oil. So after you make your toast, you drizzle it in olive oil. My lemon for my water that I'm getting ready to make. I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like. Here it is, avocado toast. So simple, so good. Just avocado, lemon, olive oil, salt, black pepper, red pepper flakes. And that's it. You can hear my heater in the background. I like it because it's so warm and toasty. So back from lunch now, and there's nothing going on, so I'm just sitting here. Let's see. What can we talk about? What y'all want to talk about? Whatever y'all want to talk about. Let's see. Oh, I can give y'all a therapy update. So I did start back going to therapy. I stopped during the holidays, which I can say that was not a good idea. I won't do that again because it just gave me more work to do. So I had to unpack everything that happened through the holidays up until now. So that was not smart to do. So, but you live and you learn. So I'm back to seeing her now. Not yesterday. Not every week like I was before. It's every other. I was seeing her twice a month. I'm gonna start back seeing her once a month. So I think I'm gonna start working on my notes for the evening. So some notes at the end of the shift, and I will come back to you guys when I get off work. So it is 4:57. I get off in 3 minutes. I was gonna ping my aunt. We work for the same company, but I get off in 3 minutes, so I'll just ping her tomorrow. Just get ready to shut everything down. was a successful day. It went by kind of slow though. It was busy, but it went by slow. You know those days when you're busy but it still goes by slow? That's what it was. So y'all, I did not end up winding down. I ended up finishing editing my video that's going up on Saturday. It's my Valentine's Day tablescape video. I'm almost done with it. I just need to do a small voiceover, and then I'm going to upload it so that it'll go live on Saturday. So typically my Saturday videos, if I have them up by Thursday, I'm very, very happy. They're up by Friday at the latest. It's very rare that I'm uploading a video on the same day that it's going live. I just like to have it up to do my description box, add my end cards and all that. So this will go up today, but it won't go public until Saturday because I upload on Tuesdays and Saturdays at 3 o'clock. I had a lot of fun filming this video. I changed it out so many times, and normally I'll like edit out how many times I change something when I'm trying to do a tablescape, but I left all those times in because I can be a bit indecisive. That's the Libra in me. It's one of our downfalls. We can be a bit indecisive. So I'm going to do my voiceover, and then we are going to, you know what, instead of me doing an hour today, I'm going to do 30 minutes because I still need to have my wind down. That's for self-care. So I'm going to finish this video, and I'm going to give myself 30 minutes to wind down, and then we're going to tackle the laundry. I love this song. No one wants to admit just how kinky they are. Don't worry, we are too. Oh, I love that. You get it? So, here is Quickies. Clarify, strengthen, moisturize. Here's our beauty products. So I got a mask. Blue Tansy reparative mask. Blue Tansy clarifying shampoo, which was out of stock for 2 weeks. That's what took so long for me to order this. And Blue Tansy reparative conditioner. It's a lot of different, like, black people, like hair afros, beards. Men is on here too. And healthy hair equals good hair. Oh, this is so cool. Costco, and this from Trader Joe's. Delicioso.